Hello, good morning student. Om Namo Shivaya. Standard 10, subject maths, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Now, we are studied in previous lesson, solution of pair of linear equation in two variable by graphical method, substitution method and elimination. Now, we studied one more new method is cross multiplication method. You have learned how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable by graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. Here one more algebraic method to solve pair a linear equation in two variable, which for many reasons is a very useful method to solving this equation. So how to cross multiplication method is work? Let's see. Cross multiplication method. Let us see how this method is work. General term of linear pair a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here two general terms of general linear equation is given. Step 1. Coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is equals to b1 and constant term is c1. In pair of linear equation 2, we have coefficient of x is equals to a2, coefficient of y is equals to b2 and constant term is c2. So in x we write like this, otherwise we draw a diagram like this. X upon coefficient of constant term and coefficient of y is equals to b1, b2, c1, c2. We write like this. Now y upon coefficient of x and constant term, c1, c2 upon and a1, a2. Clear? Now constant term, they have not any variable, so we denoted by 1. 1 upon a1, b1, a2, b2. Step 2. X upon, we make a cross multiplication here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equals to 0. It's compulsory. So solution is x is equals to, goes from numerator, so b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, where b1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equals to 0. Then we take a example and solve how to cross multiplication method is work. We see in a next lesson. Okay, bye. Hello student. Use cross multiplication to find all possible solution of the following pair of linear equation. Look at here. They give two linear equation, pair of linear equation 7x minus 15y is equals to 2, x plus 2y is equals to 3. First of all, we convert this equation in general term as a general term of linear equation. Solution: 7x minus 15y minus 2 is equals to 0. Similarly, x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Equation 1 and equation 2. Now, we write like this: x upon coefficient of y and constant term, minus 15, take with sign, minus 2, plus 2, minus 3, is equals to y upon, similarly, coefficient of 7, 1, minus 2, minus 3, we take minus y. Clear? Is equals to 1 upon coefficient of x and y. 7x यानी 1 minus 15 and plus 2. Clear, student? So we write like this: x upon, we make cross multiplication. 15 3 ja 45, minus into minus, plus minus 2 2 ja 4 into minus 4 is equals to minus y upon 7 3 ja minus 21 plus into minus, they become minus, and we have minus sign already. 2 1 ja 2 minus 2. Clear? Is equals to 1 upon 7 2 ja 14 minus 15 1 ja minus 15. Clear, student? So now x upon minus into minus, they become plus. 45 plus 4, 49 is equals to minus y upon minus into minus plus 2 minus 21 plus 2, then minus 19 left. Clear? Is equals to 1 upon 14 minus into minus plus 15. So x upon 49 minus minus cancel is equals to y upon 19 is equals to 1 upon 29. So value of x is equals to 49 by 29 compared with constant term, and y is equals to 19 upon 29. So solution of pair of linear equation is, so solution is x is equals to 49 by 29 and y is equals to 19 by 29. Clear, student? Then so simple. This method is simple. We can solve easily any pair of linear equation by using cross multiplication method. If the denoted this pair of linear equations solved by cross multiplication, elimination, otherwise substitution method, then which one they gives, we have to solve and use the method and solve the linear pair of linear equation. Okay, student? Om Namah Shivaya. Bye.